We are finally at the airport, Ava. Are you excited?
Yes, I am very excited, James. I love traveling.
Me too. But this airport is very big. It is very crowded today.
Yes, there are so many people here. Where do we go first?
First, we need to find the check-in counter for our flight.
Which airline are we flying with today?
We are flying with Blue Sky Airlines.
Look up at that big screen. It has all the flight information.
Let me see. Our flight is to London. The flight number is 405.
I see it. Flight 405 to London. It says counter number 12.
Great. Counter 12 is just over there on the left side.
Let's go. My suitcase is very heavy.
Do you want me to help you push it?
No, thank you. It has wheels. I can push it easily.
Okay. Do you have your passport and ticket ready?
Yes, they are right here in my small bag.
It is good to keep them safe, but easy to reach.
Where is your passport, James?
Oh, let me check my pocket. Yes, I have it.
You scared me for a second.
Do not worry. I always double-check my pockets.
Here is the line for counter 12. It is not very long.
That is good. We are 2 hours early for our flight.
I always like to arrive early. It is less stressful.
I agree. Now we just have to wait for our turn.
How many bags are you checking in today?
Just one big suitcase, and I have this small backpack with me.
Same here. I hope my suitcase is not too heavy.
The weight limit is 23 kilograms.
I weighed it at home. It was exactly 20 kilograms.
Then you are completely fine. Look, the counter is free now.
Let's go and get our boarding passes.
Yes, let's go. Okay, we have our boarding passes. Let me look at yours.
Here it is. What gate do we need to go to?
The ticket says we need to go to gate 45.
Gate 45. Is that very far from here?
I think it is a short walk. But first, we must go through the security check.
Oh, the security check. I always get a little nervous there.
There is no need to be nervous. It is very simple.
I know, but there are always so many rules.
I will help you. Just follow me.
The line is moving very fast today.
Yes, it is. When we get to the front, you need to take a plastic tray.
What do I need to put inside the tray?
You must take off your jacket and put it in the tray.
Okay, jacket is off. What about my laptop?
Yes, take your laptop out of your bag. Put it in a separate tray.
Do I need to take off my shoes too?
No, your shoes are fine, but you must empty your pockets.
Let me check. I have my mobile phone and some coins in my pocket.
Put them all in the tray. Do you have any water bottles?
No, I threw my water away outside. I know we cannot bring large liquids.
That is good. You are ready. Push your trays on the belt.
Now I just walk through the metal detector, right?
Yes. Just walk straight through when the officer says go. A few moments later on the other side.
That was easy. No beeping sounds.
See? I told you it was simple. My bag is coming out now.
Here are my trays. Let me put my jacket back on.
Take your time, Ava. Make sure you have your phone and coins.
I have my phone. Let me put my laptop back in my bag.
Everything is good. Do you have your boarding?
Yes, it is safe in my pocket.
Excellent. We are completely finished with the security check.
I feel much better now. Now we can relax.
Yes. Let us follow the yellow signs to find gate 45.
The sign says gate 45 is to the right side. Let's walk that way.
This airport is really beautiful inside.
Yes, it is very big and bright. Look at all these shops.
These are duty-free shops. You can buy things without paying extra tax.
That is great. Do we have time to look inside?
Let me check my watch. It is 10:30 a.m. right now.
What time does our airplane leave?
The plane leaves at 11:45 a.m., but boarding starts at 11:15 a.m.
So we have about 45 minutes before boarding.
Yes, we have plenty of time. We can walk around slowly.
I want to buy a small gift for my friend in London.
That is a very nice idea. What does your friend like?
She loves sweet things. I want to buy her some good chocolate.
There is a large candy and chocolate shop right there.
Let us go inside. Ooh, they look delicious.
Look at these big boxes of Swiss chocolate.
Delicious. But they are a bit too big.
How about this small red box? It has mixed chocolates inside.
Oh, that is perfect. And the box looks very beautiful.
How much does it cost?
The price tag says $15. I think that is a fair price.
Yes, it is a good price for a gift.
I will go to the cashier to pay for it.
While you pay, I will go buy some bottles of water for us.
Good idea. We had to throw our water away at the security check.
Exactly. It is always good to have water on the airplane.
Will you buy anything else?
Maybe some mints or chewing gum. It helps with my ears when the plane goes up.
That is a smart trick. I will buy some gum, too.
Okay, I will meet you outside the shop in 5 minutes.
See you outside, James. I will be quick. I paid for the chocolate. Did you get the water?
Yes, I bought 2 bottles of water and some chewing gum.
Perfect. Let's go to gate 45 now.
It should be at the end of this long hallway.
I see the sign. Gate 45 is right in front of us.
There are a lot of people waiting here today.
Yes, our flight must be completely full. Let's find a place to sit.
Look over there. I see 2 empty seats near the large window.
Great. I love sitting near the window. We can watch the airplanes outside.
It is 11 a.m. now. We only have 15 minutes before boarding begins.
James, my phone battery is very low. It is only at 10%.
Oh, you should charge it before we get on the airplane.
Is there a charging station near our seats?
Let me look. Yes, there is a power plug right under your seat.
That is lucky. I am glad I packed my charger in my small bag. Let me plug it in.
Shh, listen. The speaker is making an announcement.
What did the lady on the speaker say? The airport is so noisy.
She said Flight 405 to London is on time. There is no delay.
That is great news. I really do not like delayed flights.
She also said they will start boarding in exactly 10 minutes.
Okay, I will leave my phone plugged in for 10 more minutes. It will get some charge.
Good idea. Let me get my boarding pass and passport ready in my hand.
Are they calling passengers by zones?
Yes. First, they will call people in first class.
What zone is on your ticket?
My ticket says Zone 3. What about yours?
Let me look. Mine also says Zone 3. We can board together.
Perfect. We just have to wait a little bit longer.
I am getting excited to get on the plane.
Me too. The trip is finally starting. Listen, Ava. The lady on the speaker is calling our zone now.
Yes, she said, passengers in Zone 3 can board now.
Let me take my phone charger out.
I will take my small bag. Let us go stand in the line.
Have your boarding pass open on your phone, Ava.
It is open. The screen is very bright.
The airport staff will scan the code on your screen.
Okay, it is my turn. Beep. The machine scanned it perfectly.
Mine is done too. Now we just walk down this long hallway to the airplane.
I can see the airplane door. The flight attendant is smiling.
Good morning.
Good morning. What are our seat numbers again, James?
We are sitting in row 14. Your seat is 14A and my seat is 14B.
Which one is the window seat?
Seat 14A is the window seat. It is on the left side of the plane.
Great. I love looking out the window during takeoff.
And 14B is the middle seat next to you.
Here is row 14. We found it.
Yes. Do you want me to put your suitcase in the overhead bin?
Yes, please. It is a little too heavy for me to lift.
No problem. I will put my backpack up here too.
I will keep my small bag under the seat in front of me.
That is a good idea. You can reach your books easily.
Okay, I am sitting down. The seat is quite comfortable.
I will sit right next to you. Now we must fasten our seatbelts.
My seatbelt is fastened.
Are you ready for a long flight to London?
Yes, I am totally ready. I have my water, my chocolate, and a good book.
And I have some movies downloaded on my phone.
The airplane doors are closing now. We are going to leave soon.
Have a great flight, Ava.
Have a great flight, James.